Want to eat healthy without breaking the bank? A balanced diet isn't just for those with a big budget, it's for everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to plan nutritious meals, choose the best foods for your health, and save money while doing it. How to build a balanced diet on a low budget. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet includes the right mix of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. The key is understanding food groups and how to combine them efficiently. A balanced diet includes whole grains, rice, oats, whole wheat, proteins, beans, eggs, lean meats, healthy fats and nuts, seeds, avocados, fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals. You don't need expensive superfoods to stay healthy. Here are some affordable yet nutritious options you can add to your meals. Best budget-friendly foods for a balanced diet. Grains: brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread. Proteins: lentils, beans, eggs, canned tuna. Vegetables: carrots, cabbage, spinach, frozen veggies. Fruits: bananas, apples, oranges. Healthy fats: peanut butter, sunflower seeds, olive oil. Smart tips to eat healthy on a low budget. Want to make the most of your budget? Here are some smart strategies to help you eat healthy without overspending. 1. Plan your meals. Create a weekly meal plan before shopping. 2. Buy in bulk. Stock up on staple foods like rice, beans, and oats. 3. Choose seasonal produce. Fresh fruits and veggies are cheaper in season. 4. Limit processed foods. Prepackaged foods cost more and contain unhealthy additives. 5. Cook at home. Preparing meals yourself is cheaper and healthier. Here are some easy, low-cost meals to keep you on track. Oatmeal with peanut butter and banana. A nutritious, affordable breakfast. Rice and beans with sautéed veggies. A protein-packed, balanced meal. Egg and vegetable stir-fry. Quick, healthy, and budget-friendly. Homemade vegetable soup. Uses affordable ingredients and is easy to make in bulk. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. By planning smartly and choosing budget-friendly options, you can build a balanced diet that keeps you strong and healthy without overspending. Start making small changes today, and your body will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. See you in the next video.